Hello learners. In this tutorial we will be learning CSS 2D transform and how to use it. Watch this video till the end. Please support this channel. CSS 2D transforms allow the element to move, rotate, scale and skew elements. The property associated with it is transform. Some of the main functions of 2D transforms are translate. The translate function moves an element from its current position. Rotate. As the name suggests, the rotate function moves an element to clockwise or anti-clockwise. Scale. The scale function increases or decreases the size of an element. Skew. The skew function skews an element along the x and y axis by the given angles. Let's look at quick demonstration of each. First, let's look at the translate function which displaces the elements from its original position. As we have set the value for translate function, we can see the value being displaced. Now second one is rotate function which rotates the element based on the positive or negative value. For positive value it rotates in the clockwise direction and for negative value it rotates in the anti-clockwise direction. Thirdly, we will look at the scale function using which we can increase or decrease the size of an element. If the value exceeds 1 the size increases, whereas if the value decreases 1 the size 2 reduces. We can use scaleX function to scale the size of element horizontally and scaleY function to scale the size of element vertically. Lastly, we have skew function which skews the element along horizontally or vertically. SkewX does it horizontally whereas skewY does it vertically. The matrix function combines all the 2D transform functions into one. For matrix function the parameters are as follows. Matrix, scaleX, skewY, skewX, scaleY, translateX, translateY. Now all these functions we have learned till now can be written in a single function called matrix. This is how we can do. Do not forget to give your valuable suggestions in the comment box. This was all in this video. Thanks for watching this video. Like this video, share with your friends and subscribe to this channel.